Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is zoological parks, or we can say zoo. A zoo is a place where various living animals are kept within enclosure displayed to the public and may be used for study. Animals may also be bred. In fact, concept of the zoo has changed. Instead of zoos, zoological parks or zoological gardens are established, where high standard of care is observed and animals live under more natural conditions. The animals provide better recreation to the visitors. Now we are going to discuss about the maintenance of zoological park. Proper arrangement must be made in advance to lodge the animals properly in their enclosures. Satisfactory arrangement for the procurement of the feed and fodder for the animals must also be made in advance. First, veterinary and health care. Adequate arrangements for the treatment, medication, regular checkup and pathological investigations are absolutely necessary to be made for the health care and upkeep of the animals. Now monotony. Monotony can be rectified by thoughtful planning. Landscape works, the lawns, parks and grassy patches must be trimmed and moved regularly. Trees, shrubs, etc. must be tended. Now hoarding and signs posted on road to give proper direction and indication to the visitors and tourists. Signposts of the zoological parks should be put up on important points and road functions. Now literature on park animals. For the purpose of the education, posters, vouchers on the park chart, magazines and articles on wildlife and plants should be thought out of free distribution to the public for information on wildlife for the park. Zoos in India. The abbreviation zoo was first used for the London Zoological Garden, which opened for the scientific study in 1828 and to the public in 1847. The number of major animal collections open to the public around the world now extended 1000, around 80% of them in cities. The Central Zoo Authority of India manages all zoos in India. For example, Alipore Zoological Garden, Kolkata, Allen Forest Zoo, Kanpur, Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai, Birsa Munda Javik Udyan, Ranchi, etc. etc. Now, the role of zoological park in wildlife conservation. The regular zoo movement in India began in year 1855 when the first zoo was set up in Chennai. In zoological parks, animals enjoy protection, fine sunshine, fresh air and above all ample open space to play about. They have now becomes repositories of threatened wildlife and a storehouse of the knowledge on animal behavior, their breeding habits, etc. The zoological parks is a place where they are assured of food, medicine care and treatment, and where they also feel safe from their natural enemies. The establishment of zoological parks help in providing knowledge about different native and exotic wild mammals, birds, reptiles, fishes and flora to the public in general and school children in particular. Zoological parks are very useful in spreading knowledge to the wild wealth of the country. Zoological parks all over the world has been involved in the rescue of many species threatened with extinction. Our country has made good progress in the rehabilitation of some endangered species. The crocodile rehabilitation project being run by the FAO to rehabilitate crocodiles. Similarly, the Himalaya musk deer is being bred at Kufri. Now, Biosphere Reserve. Recently, the concept of Biosphere Reserve has been evolved by the Man and Biosphere program of the UNESCO. A biosphere reserve is a specified area in which multiple use of the land is permitted by dividing it into zones, each for a particular activity. There are about 3 zones in which our biosphere reserves are divided. First, core zone. No human activity is allowed in this zone. Second, buffer zone. Limited human activity is permitted in this zone. Third, manipulation zone. Several human activities can occur in this zone. A biosphere reserve preserves wildlife population, traditional life of the tribals, genetic resources of varied domestic plants and animals. The first biosphere reserve, that is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, was established in India in 1986.